All right. What's up, guys? Here's a quick video on today's lesson. I'm gonna go kind of fast, so just pause it when needed. Go back over it, and it should help you a lot. All right. All right. This first section, stuff we've already done. You take the -5, plug it into x, then you simplify. You can do it all in the calculator, or you can follow the order of operations, PEMDAS, like this, and then you get your answer. But we're gonna add another quick step here. Since these are functions, you would find these on a graph, and so what you're finding is a point on the graph. And so you're going to make the ordered pair based on whatever the x is. So this x number, the blue one, goes in that first spot, and then your answer, which is the y value, goes in this second spot, and then this is your final answer. Okay? So just adding that ordered pair to the answer. That's it. All right? You scroll, so there's 5 more examples of those. You scroll down. Next, I just want to review distributing. Okay, you have this -7. You're going to multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, so -7 times x is -7x, and then -7 times -11 is +77, and then you're done. There is no equal sign. You're just simplifying, getting rid of the parentheses. Okay, you should remember that from either Foundations or Math 1. So that's distributing. If you go down to number 9, this is multiplying exponents. So when you multiply exponents with like bases, you add the exponents. Okay, so add these numbers. All right. Since they both have ends, you're going to add the exponents. So you have 2 times this invisible 1, which is 2, but then n to the 4th times n to the 3rd is n to the 7th, and then you're done. It works like this, right? N to the 4th, there are 4 n's, and then n to the 3rd, there are 3 n's. So then how many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's how you get that. Okay? So now we put it together. Well, you have a couple examples here, because now we have 2 variables. Multiply the big numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then you add the exponents. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And then n2 times n2 is n to the 4th. And then you're done. Okay? So now we put it together. Look at number 1 here. 5x times all that in the parentheses. So I'm going to take this 5x and I'm going to match it up with this. So green with green. Then I'm going to go 5x with the -3x, blue with blue. Then I'm going to go 5x with the +2. So red with red. Okay? So same rules apply. Multiply the big numbers. 5 times 6 is 30. And then you go to the exponents. This is x to the 1st. It's an invisible exponent. And so is this one on the 3. Okay, so x to the 1st times x to the 2nd. Just add the little numbers. So what do you get? X to the 3rd. So then you move on to the blues. So 5x times -3x. So you do 5 times -3, which is -15. And then x times x, since there's 1 of each, now I have 2. Then you do the same thing with the red. Okay, 5x times 2, multiply the big numbers. So 5 times 2 is 10. And then you look at how many x's are there total. Since there's only 1 x on the 5, you just bring 1 with, then you are done. All right? All right, I'm going to do one more quick one. Okay, I know this looks like a lot, but just kind of follow it. This whole thing is a term. So you're gonna multiply that whole thing to everything inside the parentheses. So this to this one, the red rainbow. And then this with this one, the blue rainbow. Okay? So it doesn't matter how many terms are in the parentheses. This one there was 3. This one there's 2. If you go to number 4, there's 3. Okay? So just multiplying everything. So let's start with the reds. Multiply the big numbers. 7 times 9 is 63. And then add the exponents. So start with the A's. Remember, there's an invisible 1 here. There's an invisible 1 on the B over there. So there's 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. How many are left? Or how many are there total? 3 of them. And then you do the B's. So B to the 3rd times B to the 5th. There's 3 on the outside, 5 on the inside. Add them together, you get 8. So done with the reds. Then you go blue. So 7 times negative 12 is negative 84. And then do the A's. There's 2 on the outside, 3 on the inside. Total, there's 5. Go to the B's. 3 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Now there's 4. And that is your final answer. You're not solving anything. It's just getting rid of parentheses, basically. Okay? So do the rest of the page. The answers are on the bottom if you need help. But yeah, this is it. Okay? And then I will see you later. All right.